Hey guys, welcome to this tutorial. Here I want to show you step by step how to buy the cryptocurrency Avalanche. This we're gonna do on Binance. Binance is the biggest crypto exchange in the world right now and also has the lowest trading fees of only 0.1%. And if you use the link in the video description for registration, you save another 20% on trading fees so that you actually pay 0.08% on fees. At first you have to do the registration, therefore I put a link in the video description. If you click it, you come to the right registration page and the 20% trading fee discount is also automatically activated. After your account is created, you log in at Binance and go to the dashboard, and from the dashboard you go into the menu here and click on identification. The identification is necessary to be able to deposit fiat money, therefore just do it by clicking here on this verify button and also on this verify button to increase your limit. After the identification process is done, you can start deposit money by clicking here on buy crypto and then on bank deposit. Here you just choose your currency and your bank transfer or credit card method to pay, but you can also click here on crypto and deposit Bitcoin, for example. After you just type in this field how much money you want to transfer and then on continue. Now you get bank details which you need for the bank transfer, so just go into your online banking, type in this information and do the transfer. After 1 to 3 business days the money should arrive, and if the money has arrived you can now go to wallet and then on fiat and spot. There you have an overview of all your assets, all your fiat money and all your crypto currencies. And if the money has arrived, in my case euros, you can start buying Avalanche by first buying Bitcoin, and with Bitcoin you can buy Avalanche. So therefore you just use this search bar to search for Bitcoin, click here on trade, use the trading pair with your local currency, in my case it would be euro. After you come to the trading view where you can easily buy Bitcoin, you can check the trading pair here. If it is right, you can scroll down, click here on market order, and then you just use this adjustable bar to define how much of your available balance you want to invest in Bitcoin. In my case, for example, 50% or 100%. And if this is fine, you just click here on buy Bitcoin. When the Bitcoin is bought, you can now go back into your spot wallet and now research for Avalanche. Therefore you just click here on trade, and this time you choose AVAX, which is the short code for Avalanche, to Bitcoin. Now you come to the trading view again where you can buy Avalanche with Bitcoin. Therefore you just scroll down, click here on market order and define how much money you want to invest in Avalanche. For example, 50% of your Bitcoin or maybe 100%, and if this is fine you just click here on buy Avalanche. If you want to sell, you do the same thing on the right side, and I hope this was helpful. That's it for the tutorial. Have a nice day and I wish you great gains. Bye bye.